Hey guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you're new here, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Today we unbox and take a short review of new RedMagic 11 Pro Plus. Let's go. Introducing the all-new RedMagic 11 Pro Plus, the ultimate smartphone built for power and performance. The phone stuns right out of the box with its sleek futuristic design and RGB back panel lights that glow with every notification and gaming session, giving you that true gamer vibe. On the back, you get a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main lens, an ultra-wide 50-megapixel sensor, and a macro lens for detailed close-ups, perfect for sharp, vibrant photography. The front camera delivers crystal-clear selfies with natural tones and smooth HDR detail, making it ideal for content creators and vloggers. Powered by a next-gen Snapdragon chipset, ultra-fast refresh display, and massive battery, this phone isn't just smart, it's a performance beast. The RedMagic 11 Pro Plus combines style, power, and innovation, ready to light up your world, one glow at a time. So guys, this new RedMagic 11 Pro Plus, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World, or thanks for watching.